Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English with VB podcast. I'm Ria.
And I'm Aarav. We're really happy to have you here with us again.
Today's episode is going to be very powerful and very practical for every English learner.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to improve your English vocabulary naturally without memorizing too much.
Many learners try to learn hundreds of words every day,
But after some time, they forget most of them.
and then they feel frustrated.
So today, we will talk about a better and smarter way to build vocabulary.
Let's start with a simple question.
What is vocabulary?
Vocabulary means the words you know and use.
But knowing words is not enough.
You must know how to use them.
That is the real skill.
Let's talk about the first mistake learners make.
They try to memorize long word lists,
Yes, and they don't use those words.
so they forget them quickly.
What is the solution?
Learn words in context.
Yes, context means using words in sentences.
For example, instead of learning the word happy alone, use it.
I am happy today.
She looks happy.
This helps you remember better.
Let's talk about another method.
What is that?
Learn phrases, not just words.
Yes, phrases are more useful.
For example, take a break.
Make a decision.
Have a good day.
These are ready-to-use expressions.
They improve fluency.
Let's talk about daily practice.
Practice is very important,
Use new words in your daily speaking.
even if it's simple.
This builds memory.
Let's talk about reading.
Reading helps vocabulary growth,
When you read, you see new words.
and you understand how they are used.
Start with simple content.
Stories, articles, or short texts.
Let's talk about listening.
Listening also improves vocabulary
You hear words in real use.
and learn pronunciation,
Listen daily.
even for a few minutes.
Let's talk about repetition.
Yes, repetition is important.
Repeat new words regularly.
Use them again and again.
This helps long-term memory.
Let's talk about writing.
Writing helps you use words
Write simple sentences.
or short paragraphs.
This improves vocabulary.
Let's talk about speaking.
Speaking is the most important,
Use new words while speaking.
even if you make mistakes.
That is okay.
Let's talk about another idea.
What is that?
Learn synonyms.
Yes, similar words.
For example, big and large.
Happy and glad.
This expands your vocabulary.
Let's talk about environment.
Surround yourself with English.
Listen, read, and speak daily.
This creates exposure.
And builds vocabulary naturally.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning,
Don't be afraid to use new words.
even if you use them incorrectly.
You will learn from it.
Let's talk about confidence.
Confidence helps usage.
Use words without fear.
That improves learning.
Let's talk about habit.
Build a daily vocabulary habit.
Learned 3 to 5 new words daily.
Use them in sentences.
That is enough.
Let's imagine a learner.
They learn 5 words daily.
In 1 week, they learn 35 words.
In 1 month, more than 100 words.
This is powerful.
Let's talk about patience.
Vocabulary takes time.
Don't rush.
Learn slowly but correctly.
Let's talk about review.
Yes, review is important.
Revise old words.
This strengthens memory.
Let's talk about fun learning.
Yes, make it enjoyable.
Use games, stories, or conversations.
This keeps you interested.
Let's talk about real-life use.
Use words in daily life.
Talk about your routine.
Describe your thoughts.
This makes learning practical.
Let's talk about thinking in English.
Yes, that helps vocabulary.
When you think in English, you use words naturally.
This improves memory.
Let's talk about motivation.
Motivation helps you start,
But habit keeps you going.
so build a habit.
Let's talk about discipline.
Practice daily.
Even when you don't feel like it.
That builds success.
Before we end, let's share one message.
Dear listeners, don't memorize too much.
Learn smart.
Use words in context
Practice daily.
and stay consistent,
Your vocabulary will grow.
and your English will improve.
Thank you for listening to the English with VB podcast.
Keep learning
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.